last frame is in and glued down. I did this yesterday, so the glue is now dried, so we can take the clamps off. And then we can glue down the last window. We took the tape and the plastic off, but the tape leave the glue in here. So try to clean this, but then we can install the window itself here.
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing campervan. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
Okay, so I have thinner and this spray, but this is almost empty. Let's see if this is working with this kind of glue. Fire in the hole. Okay, let's continue cleaning with thinner. So the gap between the metal and the window is quite big in here, so I kind of make a trim for this window as well. I'm using again this plastic, so it's much more better than wood if you use wood outside, so it's gonna suck all the moisture and water inside, and this one won't do that, so plastic is the thing we're gonna use. Now I'll just tighten these screws a little bit. So this was the last window, and it's in. Now we need to wait that the sealant is fully cured. I think I'm gonna install this noise reduction solution STP panels. It's made of, I think this is some kind of butyl, and then have the surface covered with the aluminium foil. And I ordered 12 panels, and it's 4.5 square meters. I think this will be very nice. They say that you can cut this with scissors, but I think I have this little knife, so let's try it out here first. Okay, it was easy. I think the aluminium foil is not too thick for if you can cut it with scissors also. But just glue them in, it's not rocket science, you know. Before installation, I need to remove the dust and the grease and oils from the panels, and just using a fire with water and just some paper towels. I think it's enough. Okay, so here we have 7 sheets cut down, and let's see how well these gonna go in on the walls. And I have this this kind of roller. Here we go. So I don't want to use too much of this stuff because we want to keep the weight as minimum as possible. But yeah, let's see. So let's see after this what is the situation. Okay, let's see. Top. Need more. But now the one wall is done and the back doors are almost done. The side door is okay, as you can hear, not bad. But yeah, now we can do the roof, and then we need to undo the plastics from the back doors, and then we can apply a few strips of these inside, so they will be good enough to go. But yeah, now let's put these on the roof. So the sound is pretty hard. Yep, that's good. Now the back doors are ready, but we need to take these plastics off and put inside, of course. And this wall is now done. The side door done. The roof is also pretty much okay. Okay, now the roof is done. I'm pretty sure this is enough. It doesn't sound anything like before. I need to glue these few spots the roof have come off from the beams. Now I need to clean this wall, and then we can apply the sound deadening materials. Now the walls and the roof and the doors are ready, so we can continue on the floor. But yeah, this needs a good vacuum, cleaning, and then cutting thin stripes. I'm not gonna put the mat on top of these, on the high spots. I'm only gonna put these down here on the grooves and on the low spots. So this is what I have done on the floor now. So every low spot gets the fuel stuff. I don't know how this is gonna work, but Okay, I'm gonna do some sandblasting now. I have my mask here. This is a odor mask. And yeah, I need to clean up these tools first because the sand goes everywhere. But yeah, let's get rid of these and then start blasting the chassis. Okay, I think I now sandblasted about 25 kilos of sand, and yeah, it's looking let's say better. It's a big job if you want to sandblast everything in here, you know, because the chassis itself, it's so big. So I think that this one and my two compressors would be dead after that job. So I just blasted the places where I cannot reach with the angle grinder. And but yeah, I think now it's time to apply some paint. So let's clean up a little bit and then let's apply some epoxy primer. But I think I need to do something about my outfit because I am full of sand. Thanks guys for watching this episode. We're now closing the windows and the hatches, and gonna end this one in here. Today was fun installing the sound deadening material. It's way more quieter now when you're knocking on the walls and the roof. It's way better. It's fun when you close the door. It's not rattling anymore, like it's more smooth. Yeah, it's not vibrating anymore, so it's pretty good. This is enough to cut the most of the sounds away. I am pretty sure that after I install the insulation in here, this is gonna be way more quieter than it is already now. Okay, but thank you for watching this episode. Let's see you guys on the next one as we continue the DIY work on the Iveco Campervan build. See you!